Okay, can you see my screen, everyone? Mohan, Nilesh, Shravani.
Yes, yes, Shekhar.
Okay, yeah, okay, great. So, did you get a chance to subscribe for Azure Free Trial, guys? Any queries, any doubt? Okay, yeah, see, now I'm going to discuss about how to deploy one sample AI model in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay, yeah, next. First, navigate to portal, okay, portal.azure.com. See, once you have subscribed for Azure Free Trial, then you can access the portal name called portal.azure.com. Okay, so this is the one portal.azure.com. Right? Yeah, next. Now, here, first thing, let us go through that Azure portal. Okay, this we can call it as left side menu. Okay, this we can call it as what? Left side menu. Got it? Yeah, next. This is what? Cloud Shell. This is the notifications. This is the settings. Okay. So this is what? Our email address. Clear? So for example, if you would like to hide this left side menu, now navigate to settings. Okay. Appearance. Click on flyout. Apply it. Say automatically left side menu will be vanish. Automatically left side menu will get vanish. Okay, now click on settings, click on appearance, docked, applied. See guys, now I am able to get that blade. So technically we will call it as a blade. What is that? BLADE blade. Okay, or else we can also call it as left side menu. What is that? Left side menu. Right? Yeah, next. Now another thing is click on settings. This is the appearance. Anytime if you want to change the theme of the Azure portal, now we can change the theme. Click on dark. Total Azure portal will be applied for dark theme. We can call it as theme. See, this is the theme. Now let it be. You can apply auto apply it. Okay. So this is the blue and white combination. Okay, yeah, so this is one of the important thing. Next, this is we can call it as Cloud Shell. This is what we can call it as Cloud Shell. So you know right here, Cloud Shell, you can automate anything. In the Cloud Shell, we can automate anything. Automate anything in the sense, what does it mean? We can write the PowerShell script, shell scripting, Terraform. Next, AGD. AGD is the new tool Microsoft has introduced. So it will provision the infrastructure as well as application would be deployed on top of what? Our Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. Also, we can use Terraform, ARM template, Bicep, everything we can customize it and deploy it using what is that? Cloud Shell. Okay, if you want, you can close it. Next. Now, this we can call it as what? Notifications. Notification in the sense, for example, I have created one VM. Then here, the status of the VM, I can track it in notifications. Whether it is provisioned, deleted, or anything happened, that you can directly track it here. Okay, yeah, next. Now, this is about what? Settings. Okay. So already we discussed appearance. Okay. Second option is language and region. Language and region in the sense, for example, entire portal is displaying in English language, right? If you want to change like China language or Germany, Japan language. Just apply it, automatically entire portal would be converted into what? Your required local language. I think this is the Korean language. Clear? Yeah, next. If you want to change it back, click on settings, appearance. Here choose the English, apply it. That's it. Okay, so this is about what? This is about what? Total overview of Microsoft Azure portal. Okay, yeah, next. Now, I would like to discuss about what is the subscription. What is the subscription, guys? Can anyone tell me? Subscription. Anyone? What is the subscription? It is collection of resource groups. Okay, subscription is nothing but collection of resource groups. Okay, what is the resource group? Resource group is nothing but collection of resources. Okay, resource group is nothing but collection of resources. I am repeating, what is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Okay, what is that? Collection of resources. Yeah, great. Next. Now, another thing here is, simply we can say resource group is a logical, what is that? Container. Resource group is a logical container where we can deploy all our project related resources. Project related resource in the sense virtual machine, storage account, networking, load balancer, front door, okay, and application gateway, etc. etc. Everything we can deploy it under this container. Got it? Yeah, next. Now, assume that now it is the what? Collection of resource group. Now, if you observe, navigate to your home page, there is a subscription. Click on subscription. Okay, so this is the resource group. Simply we can say this is what? Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. What is that? Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. You people will get Azure subscription. Got it? You people will get Azure subscription. Okay, or else free trial like that you can get it. So one organization may have n number of subscriptions. One organization may have n number of subscriptions. Now click on add. Just click on add. Okay, here we have free trial. See, free trial, pay as you go model, Azure for students. We have other offers as well. One organization can have these many subscriptions. Okay, depends on business requirement. We can go ahead and use this subscription, guys. Okay, yeah, next. So underlying of subscription, you can create what? Resource group. Okay, now have a look. There is a resource group that you can create it. What is the resource group? As I said, resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, what is the resource group, guys? Resource group is a container which holds the resources for Azure project solution. Okay, yeah, next. Now click on create. See, this is the exact definition they have provided. What is that? Resource group is a container that holds the resources for Azure project solution. The resource group can include all resources for solution or only the resources you want to manage in the group. Okay, you can decide how you want to allocate the resources under particular resource group, guys. Okay, yeah, next. Now, my subscription is disabled. Maybe it will take another 20 days. Okay, to enable it. Mine is license. Okay, so here you can mention the resource group name. Here we have what? Visual Studio Enterprise subscription. Now resource group name is what? My RG hyphen my TCS hyphen RG. What is that? My TCS hyphen RG. What is that, guys? My TCS hyphen RG. Okay. Yeah. So resource group can be anything. For example, Azure AI hyphen RG, you can use it. What is that? Azure AI hyphen RG. Okay. Yeah. Next, click on next. Okay. Here, tags. What are the tags? Anyone, guys? What are the tags? What are the tags? Yeah, tags are name, value, place, which will give the information about resource. Are you getting? Tags are name, value, place, which will give the information about resources. Got it, guys. Any queries, any doubts? See, sorry, I am signing. Yeah. So this is the free trial. Okay. Now subscription one. Now I am giving what is that? Is Azure AI hyphen RG. This is my resource group name. See, if it is already existing in my selected resource group, I can give Azure AI hyphen 2025 hyphen RG. Okay, or else I can say Azure OpenAI. OpenAI hyphen RG. Location East US. What is that? Location East US. Now, next, what are the tags? Can anyone tell me? Mohan, yesterday I think we have discussed, right? Savani, Nilesh. What are the tags? Tags are name, value, place. Note it down. Okay. Tags are name, value, place, which will give the information about resource. Which will give the information about resource. Which will give the information about resources. It is like a label, guys. Label. For example, you have purchased one laptop. What is that? You have purchased one laptop. If you purchase the laptop, on top of the, what is that, box, we will have label, right? QR code. Underlying that, we have all the details of the, what is that brand, like a label, in a sense it contain brand name, manufacturing date, company, and also price, warranty. Okay, what is the model number? Okay, also it is the purchase country. It contain all the information, right? Here also it is same. Here tags, in a sense, name, value, place, which will give the information about resource. Okay. Yeah, next. Now, here I am giving project. What is the project name? I am giving PWC. Project name is what? PWC. Okay, environment. Environment. What is the environment? Production I am giving. What is that? Production. Who is the client? Okay, client I can say Mike. What is that? My. Now hit on review plus create it. Just hit on review plus create it. Yes, create it. Okay, click on resource group. See, in front of you, I have created what? Azure OpenAI-RG. What is that? Azure OpenAI-RG. Clear, guys? Any queries, any doubts? Mohan, Nilesh, Chinna, Savani. Any queries so far? What I did, just I have accessed the Azure portal, created one resource group. Okay, yeah, under one subscription. Under one subscription, I created resource group. Resource group name is what? Azure OpenAI-RG. Clear? Any queries, any doubts so far?
No, Shekhar.
It's clear, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I am going to deploy one sample. What is the GPT model? Okay. For our reference, I am going to deploy how GPT model can be deployed. Here, see what is the full form of the GPT? Generative. Come on. Pre-trainer transformer. Okay. Pre-trainer transformers. So GPT model developed by OpenAI. GPT model developed by OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI came up with GPT models for what is that? Such the data, text data. Okay, DALL-E, DALLE. Okay, DALL-E is for image generation. Image generation. Okay, next codex. Codex for what? Generate the code. Generate the code, guys. Okay. Sora. There is a what? Sora. Sora is for what? Video generation. Video generation. Okay. These are the powerful models developed by OpenAI and Microsoft. Okay. Microsoft already, they have integrated these models with Microsoft product. Clear? You know, right? There is a strong collaboration between what? Microsoft and OpenAI. So whatever together they developed the model, right? Microsoft directly can integrate these models. Okay, yeah, great. Now I am going to create one AI foundry. See, what is the AI foundry? Uh, Foundry I am giving. What is the AI foundry, guys? AI foundry is a unified platform where we can create the AI project. AI, yeah, OpenAI is what? Sorry, AI Foundry is the, what is that? Unified platform where we can create AI projects. Okay, AI projects. Oh, yeah, I'm repeating. AI Foundry is the unified platform. I can say all in one platform where we can build and deploy, manage and access the AI solutions. Is called AI Foundry. Okay, so there is a AI hub as well. AI hub. AI hub is means what? It is collection of projects. Underlaying of AI hub, I can deploy n number of projects. Okay, so that is what AI hub. Mostly nowadays they are going for individual AI foundry itself. See guys, here you can create AI foundry resources, manage AI services, best expert practices and guidance. Okay, now here you can go ahead and create the what? One project. Click on project. Okay, here create AI Foundry resource. So resource group name is what? Azure OpenAI-RG. I am giving my AI Foundry. My AI Foundry. Got it? Yeah. Location, I am going to deploy it in East US. See, have you observed? This is the first project. Okay. AI Foundry organize your development artifacts into the projects. Containers for managing permission, monitoring, cost, and many more. You can also create the project and verify it. So this is what first project. Now click on next. So this is the networking. Okay, this is the networking. So it can be accessible for all the networks. It can be accessible for what? All the networks. Okay, yeah. Next, click on next. So this is the identity. There is a two identities, guys. There are two identities. One is system manager identity, user manager identity. Okay, system managed identity directly it can access other services which we have deployed in Azure. Okay, that is what system manager identity. System manager identity it has authorization to access other services which you have deployed in where is that? In same Azure cloud computing. Clear? That is what system manager identity. Authentication and authorizations are managed by Microsoft itself. When you go for user identity, so the key has been created. You have to maintain the proper permissions. Then you have to provide the authentication. Then only user key can manage and access the services that was deployed in different resource group or within the Azure cloud platform. Okay, so mostly 90% we will go for what is that? System managed identity. Okay, yeah, next, click on next. Encryption. By default, it is encrypted. What are the tags, guys? Just now we discussed it. Anyone? What are the tags? What is the tag? It's an interview question. What is the tags?
Name and value paired, which gives
Okay.
information.
It's a labeling. Tags are
Yeah.
like a labeling. In original, what is what? Tags are name value pairs. See, which will give the information about resources, guys. So same, I am using client. Who is the client? Mike. Okay, environment. This is the production. Who is the project? Project is what? PwC. Clear? Yeah. Next, click on next. Click on next. Okay, here validation. Please choose different name subdomain. My first AI foundry is not available. Already used. That should be unique name. Go to here. My AI foundry. My AI foundry 019. The name should be unique, guys, in the entire globe in Microsoft Azure. My AI foundry 019. That is the name I have provided. Click on next. Hit on review, press create it. Again, it is validating. Yes, it has been validated successfully. Go ahead and click on create. Have you, yeah, just go ahead and click on create it. Okay, see, deployment is succeeded. Now click on it. So, yeah, have a look. Okay, refresh on it. Okay, have you observed? If you observe my AI Foundry 019. So this is what? Go to AI Foundry portal. Okay, now click on it. See, go to AI Foundry portal. See, it is very powerful, guys. Why always I can say Microsoft Azure AI Foundry very popular in the sense it is a unified platform where we can go and deploy the what? Any type of AI model. You know, right? Each company in the world, they came up with their own models. Okay, so this is the only one platform where we can use any type of platform which was developed by various companies. Okay, yeah, next. Now have a look. This is the AI Foundry. I have given what? This is what? First project. This is what? First project. So this is the endpoint key. Directly you can utilize it for your application. Okay, when you are coming to the Azure AI services, here we have list of Azure AI services, and this is the OpenAI services. This is AI Foundry. Directly you can consume it. Now, coming to here, our Azure OpenAI, they came up with various types of model. First model is GPT-35, GPT-35, next GPT 4.0, next model is GPT 4.0 mini, okay, next GPT 4.0 nano. Okay, now latest version of GPT model is 5.1. They have launched it August 10th, guys. August 10th, they have launched it. It is very popular. Okay, prior to that, we have also GPT 4.1. GPT 4.1, guys. Okay, any model you can use it. So inbuilt, they have implemented LLM. LLM means large language model. What is a large language model, guys? It has been already trained for publicly available data. You know, right? Publicly, we have images, videos, audio, and entertainment related data, cine data, news data, political data, and the Facebook. Forget about Facebook. Any Azure, AWS, Google, and whatever the data is there, right? Like banking sector, finance sector, HR related, automobile industry related data. Next, all publicly whatever the data is available already trained. Okay, then directly how we people are using ChatGPT, right? What is the Azure? It is searching the data that is publicly available, go on the train and response back to the client. Okay, so backend by default they are using NLP capabilities. NLP means natural language processing. For example, I know only Telugu. I don't know English. So if I pass the input in Telugu, output also would be what? Telugu only. I know only Hindi. When you pass the input as a Hindi, then output also displayed in Hindi language itself. Clear, guys. Okay, now when I go and verify, see this is the model catalog, guys. This is the what? Model catalog. Now click on model catalog. Okay, if you observe what is that model catalog, if you observe model catalog, totally Azure and OpenAI itself, they have provided around 63 models. Okay, have you observed? These are the models, guys. See, Pi, O3, O1, Mistral, Pi model, Grok, Llama, Llama developed by Meta, Grok developed by Elon Musk. Okay, Pi developed by Microsoft, OpenAI developed by what? GPT-5, developed by what is that? OpenAI organization. See, around 96 models are there. Important models, we can say. Find right model to build your custom AI solutions. What is that? Find our right model to build our custom AI solutions. Now I want to use, what is that? GPT, what is that? 4.0, that is the latest. GPT 35, it is going to be deprecated very soon. Why should I explain about the old model, deprecating model? Now directly I am going to use, what is that? GPT 4.0. Okay, now type GPT. Okay, GPT 4.0 many. I can say GPT. Yeah, so this is the one. I will use GPT 4.0. Okay, it is like a chat GPT, guys. What is that? It is like a chat GPT. Okay, now chat GPT, you know, right? This is the uh, already they have implemented a large language model. That's why when I type it, what is the latest news in India? Okay. What is the latest news in India? Give top 10 news. Top 10 news here. See, what does that mean? Now it is go and already trained at publicly available data. You know, right? These GPT models will be trained for each and every minute, guys. Publicly, see, lot of data is getting updated, right? Like media, news, okay, entertainment, and country related news, state news, okay, district news, how we have, right? So this is the latest top 10 news they have provided. Okay, so even that is giving the data as well. Got it. So this is the yesterday evening 11 o'clock they have updated. So that is giving the news. Lok Sabha approves some new IAM Guwahati something else. Okay, clear. So what does that mean? Already GPT 5.0, it will get trained for every minute. Okay, see, I am the media. I assume that I have one media. I will update every day, right? I will update every hour. So when I have updated, my GPT model will pull it out, train and make it available for public. Okay, so same way I am using same GPT 4.0 is the model. Okay, what is the model, guys? Model is nothing but algorithm, set of rules. Okay, now use this model. See, I am using this model. So this is the high costly services, guys. Again, I am telling you. Now, if you see, this is the KickFat. Okay, August 2023, they have launched it. And current index is 0.5 model ID. Okay, yeah. Now, GPT-4o, this is the global standard. Here, global standard. Okay, don't batch file. I will let you know all these things. Now, my chat GPT is publicly available. Even if I share the URL, you can also can access it. Okay, so model is what? 2024 11 21 and 50K token default, and this is what? Connected resources, key based authentication, location East US, and version upgrade policy. Yes, online it will upgrade the version policy automatically. Now deploy it. Just click on deploy it. So I am deploying one model. I will come from scratch. Just I want to show you what is the AI, how we can integrate these services with our custom applications, guys. Apart from that, nothing. So from tomorrow onwards, we will come from scratch. See, deployment is succeeded. Okay, if you observe, backend they are using Python, SDK, Azure OpenAI SDK, authentication type, key-based authentication. Now, open in Playground. Playground is a user-friendly interface where we can play the what is that AI related solutions, guys. Playground in a sense, come to the real time. There is a cricket playground, football playground. Okay, like kabaddi playground. We have many types of playgrounds are there. Each playground we can perform different what is that games. Okay, there is a cricket playground, we will go and play the only cricket. Same way here playground they have provided user friendly interface where you can build, deploy, manage and access the any type of model that was developed by various companies in the organization. Okay, various company in the organizations. See, this is the GPT-4 work. If I type what is the temp today in Hyderabad. Temperature Hyderabad. Just I am giving. Okay, it is giving the suggestion. Or else, now if I type what is Azure AI? What is Azure AI? See guys, it is giving. Okay, Azure AI is a collection of artificial intelligence services. Azure AI is what? Collection of artificial intelligence and services provided by Microsoft. Okay, yeah, of Microsoft, its cloud platform. Microsoft enables developers and organizations to integrate AI application into their applications. Okay, to integrate AI capabilities into their applications, workflows, and business process without requiring deep expertise in AI and data science. Okay, yeah. Next, Azure offer wide range of what is that services. You can use machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, speech services. Okay, so this is my own, what is that? Chart GPT 4.0 I have deployed. Now, if I type what is AWS, see, it is giving everything. If I can also deploy what is GCP. Okay, what is GCP? Hit enter. Okay, it is generating GPT. It is generating what is the Google Cloud under. No, no, no. I want only I want this ChatGPT should be respond for my only Azure related queries. Then here you can write the system prompt, guys. I don't want push everything in single day. Let it be. Now I want to deploy it into my application. So this functionality I should see in my application. For example, there is a TCS.com. Okay, there is a TCS.com. I want to see same application. I want to see such kind of functionality in my application. Okay, so for example, I will show you. HDFC.com is there. HDFC.com. Whatever I am searching here, right? Same functionality I should see in my banking application. When you access HDFC Bank application, they have already using our Azure AI chatbot only, guys. HDFC is the big customer for Azure. Now, click on Ava. See, this is the chart type only. So, they have provided the functionality to get the only bank related information. If I type what is AI, it won't provide. Why? Because it is not relevant to what is that bank application, right? If I ask credit card, yes, it will provide the details about credit cards. Okay, something I haven't provided. See, credit card related, they have provided. Same way, it is supporting all technical, media, automobile industry, healthcare related, okay, and the various types of technology related information, everything it is providing here. If you want to control it, yes, you can control it. That we can call it as agent. How we will show you how to develop our own agents going forward. Now I want to integrate with my application. How we have HDFC, right? Same way I would like to deploy as a my custom application. How to do that? There is a one option, deploy it as a web app. Now click on deploy it as a web app. What is the web app name? My chart GPT 2019 I am giving. My application name is what, guys? My chart GPT 2019. I am going to deploy it in same subscription. Okay, where I can go ahead and do that. Now Azure OpenAI. Okay, what is the location? I can see location is what? East US 2. Okay, service plan I am taking standard. Okay, this is the standard, and low cost will be impact. Low cost means charges we are deploying our own application, right? See, not according to the process violation. East US. Okay, I am giving something. Okay, and deploy it. Let's see this time. Web app will be configured Entra Microsoft. Enable. It may take few minutes to apply. No, I do not want. So instead of that, I am taking basic. Let's see. Deploy it. Template according to the validation procedure, taking some time. My TCS app 019, I'm giving something else. Okay, instead of East US, let me go and use it Central US. Now standard is mandatory. I am taking standard S1 deployed. Let's see. Okay, yeah, Central University has been taken. Okay, here you can check the status. There is a model and web app, right? Click on web app. Here it will display, guys. If it is deployment is in progress. See my TCS app. 1 3 it is running. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes. Directly you can access this application. Let's see. Deployment is still running. Okay, you can refresh. Okay, let it be deploy or else we will see it tomorrow. Let's see. When I click on it, deployment still in progress. So it won't allows us to deploy. I mean, we will not able to access until deployment is completed. Yeah, it is processing. Let it be. Okay, it will take maybe it will take some time. Okay, tomorrow I will keep same thing. Tomorrow we'll discuss about it. Okay, one more thing. Before coming to the session tomorrow, please do subscribe for Azure Free Trial and come back. Okay. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect. Sorry for delay today. Actually, I was facing some internet issues. Due to that, I joined some 5 to 10 minutes late. So tomorrow sharp, we will join at 7 o'clock. Okay. Apologies for that delay.
Yeah, hi, Shekhar.
Yeah.
Shekhar,
Yeah. Yeah, it is the AI
Nilesh this side.
services, right? It is the AI services, right? So it will take some time. We have to accept it. So once it is done, we can how we people are accessing the chat GPT, right? Same way our application can also perform same activity. Yeah, yeah, Nilesh. Sorry, in between to
Uh,
yeah.
Sorry, actually, I'm working in this VMware environment, and I never worked on this Azure platform.
Okay.
So, are we covering here the Azure basics,
Yeah, yeah,
like
we
I
will
know
cover
the
Azure
concepts?
basics. Yes, yes.
Okay,
So at end
okay,
of the
okay.
day, remember
Mhm.
wherever you are working, everyone should be landing to AI. That is mandatory, guys. No
Yes,
choice.
correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the prerequisite if you want to understand this
Yeah,
thing?
I will cover. Actually, Azure, in Azure, we have 4 services are required that I will cover.
Mhm.
Then we will move forward it. So I want to show you some how AI application is there in Azure AI. That's what. Okay, tomorrow
Okay,
onwards we will
so
come from scratch. Yes.
okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Any more questions? Chinna, Mohan, Sabir, Savani. Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Yep. Thank you. Same to you.
Bye. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.